here. Still doing some connection here, trying to put this in the hole. We are trying to put the submersible pump in the hole. As you can see, this things alone cannot hold this. This is the power box. You can see this, and then here is a connection, and this we're going to do the real connection here. Attach the wire that we took from the Lebanon stores to be able to go in the hole. It's about 100+ feet. And then this one, we're going to attach another wire from here to go straight to the control box in there, where the control box will be placed to be putting the something on, pressure pump on. So, and then the one will be a supporting arm to hold this thing here. So you can see that we bought this thrown rope. So it's the side, it's durable. It can last for about 3 years. Then you open it, changes again. So you see that we are here. We're doing these things here. So we are still shorting. Of a lot of things here. So this is the wire we're talking about. That's going to attach. This wire is going straight in the hole. Electrical stuff. This is the European brand wire. Very, very expensive. You're blunder too. You're taking that there where you are. You're looking for it. Yes, this is it.